Hello, my Kandor crafters. How are you today? Let's hop right into the video. Today I will be using a 24 by 36 poster frame, and to back that I have a 36 by 48 trifold presentation board. And honestly, I just leave it folded up and the tabs facing the outside. Next, you will need a hot glue gun and a lot of hot glue sticks. The flowers I purchased from Amazon. They come 60 in a pack, and I purchased 4 packs. Some people I watch do this just went to Dollar Tree to get their flowers, but me personally, they just look too fake for me. I don't know if it's the tourist in me or what, but I just needed mine to look a bit more bougie. On top of that, the people that I watched, they said they needed about like 40 or 50 bushels, and they went to different Dollar Trees, like multiple different Dollar Trees. And a lot of people think like just because it's the Dollar Tree and everything is $1, they think that that's the best deal ever. But when it came to this project, it really wasn't. And I'll tell you why. Because this pack, like these packs were only like $17, $18 in this particular color. So I spent like $20, $30 more. And I also saved on gas because I didn't have to go to multiple different Dollar Trees. And the overall quality just looks so much better to me. So I saved on time, gas, and the guesswork, honestly, because not every Dollar Tree has the same things. Alright, enough of my rambling. The first part is pretty self-explanatory. Be careful when you take out the plastic part on the frame if you get this size, because I did wind up cracking my frame. But nothing a little hot glue can't fix, and that's exactly what I did. And don't mind the little splatters like on the inside of my board. That's just super glue. I don't know why I thought super glue was gonna work. So yeah, just don't mind that part. Hot glue everything. Hot glue everything, okay? That is your best friend, trust me. The stems are pretty easy to pull out. Then from there, all I did was just hot glue the flowers onto the board, and I tried to place them as close together as possible because I want it to be like nice and full. I will show a close-up later on in the video. And also when I was done, I did fill in some gaps where I felt like needed more flowers. Here's what the flowers look like after I filled in some of the gaps. And when I say I'm obsessed, like I love it already. Now for my name, I used a spray adhesive, an acrylic sealer, some glitter, a knife blade, which is only for the maker. Like this blade is specifically for the maker. And I used two foam sheets. They were 12 by 18 and they were 2 millimeters thick. The font I used is Lavanderia. I got this font for free online. All you have to do is Google it. I will put the spelling of the name in the description box. And I just wanted to drop 2 gems for you, for any of our newbies who may not know this. The contour button allows you to hide different things that you may not want to cut at the time. So for me, I'm going to cut the K first. So the rest of my name, I'm going to hide that until it's time to cut them. The reason why I'm cutting them on 2 different sheets is because I wanted my name to be as big as possible. And since the sheets that I'm using are 12 by 18, I'm going to use all 18 inches to cut my name, like the second half of my name. And then I'm just going to make sure that it is 12 inches wide for the K. And I'm going to make it about, I think 15 inches long. And honestly, this is the best alternative to wood, because when I say the foam sheets that I used to make this project were literally 99 cents a sheet. Amazing. Now for the second gem, for certain materials, you can have different blade types to cut that particular material. For example, I'm using craft foam. I can use both the deep cut blade and the knife blade. The deep cut blade did not work well with this material. I honestly think it was because of the curves in my cut, but I'll show you a side-by-side comparison later on in the video. Here's what my name looks like before I put glitter on it. And honestly, it looks fine like this, but I needed a little pop, so I added glitter. And I believe you can also spray paint this if you like, but I'm doing the glitter method. All I did was use my spray adhesive, sprayed my letters down, waited probably 5-10 seconds, and then I proceeded to put my glitter on. I honestly only needed one coat of glitter, and that was fine. And after doing that, after letting it dry for a little bit, I used my acrylic sealer, and yeah, I used 2 or 3 coats of that, and after that dried, it was ready. It was go time. See this? I just wanted to show you. I really need to stay off TikTok, but y'all see my masterpiece? I really did that by accident, but I love it. I really framed it and hung it in my bathroom. I titled it F Love, but if you have a better name, let me know in the comments. Shining, 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 shining. See, I told y'all this is only one coat of glitter. One coat. And my girl is shining, okay? Do not play with that girl. She is not one of them. Yes. Now for the final step, all I did was lay my name down, centered it as best as I could, and I just hot glued it in the spots where it was kind of high. I didn't want it to look all smushed, and I just placed the glue where it needed to be so she could hold on. And here's the finished product. When I say I'm obsessed, I literally imagined this in my mind, and for me to really make it come to life, just amazes me. I'm so in love right now. There was a lot of trial and error, but like I said, I make the mistakes so you guys don't have to. And it was so worth it, so worth it. If you like this video, like it, share it, subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and watch another video. You're not doing nothing else anyway. Until next time, my Kandor crafters. Thank you for watching.